houses behind my house, and all houses collapsed in 5 seconds. And I don't know what happened to me. It's like a nightmare, or it was in daytime.
Many of the old buildings have collapsed, and people living in tents, plastic tents. So there was a great tension. We didn't know when the next shock would come.
One of our devotee, his uncle, he was just walking and he collapsed dead on the floor because he didn't get to eat for many days. We did provide few sacks of rice to that village because that's what we got. That's what we tried to ask help from so many people, and that's what we got. So we feel bad. We really could not help, and people really dying. House is broken, their kitchen's broken, and they're going inside the kitchen and trying to take out the few grains of rice or whatever, and trying to fill their belly with that. And in villages, it's like one family is like 35 members. So they're really suffering. But
मेरो माइतीको त बासे उजार भइसकेछ। मेरो आफ्नो रिलेटिभ पनि भूकम्पमा पीडित भइसकेर एकजना भाइ त बितिसकेको छ। म आफ्नो ठाउँमा बस्नु नसकेर मन्दिरमा आश्रित भएर बसेको छु भगवानको शरणमा। जे गर्नुहुन्छ अब भगवानलाई मेरो कोही छैन। हे भगवान, कसैले गर्ने हेल्प गर्न पायो भने परिवारलाई के उद्धार गरिदिनु, के उद्धार गरिदिनु।
Good for life, yeah. There has been, Bhaktapur has been, I think he's been beating everyone because the impact has been great there. It's an old city, many houses collapsed, in the villages around also. And they've been distributing like, I don't know, 8,000-9,000 a day, if not more. And other devotees in Kathmandu are distributing. So we're doing 10,000 plates a day, if not more, I don't know.
2 days we are using from our temple stock, and later on when people saw that we are really helping selflessly, they gave us some rice and dal, and we could manage that.
Some places they were needing that emotional support and that help spiritual environment and all that, and that we were providing.
What we need is a genuine, thoughtful support, not a short-term support, but a long-term support.
We are a student. We do not have so much with so much money, but we have our capacity to do.
Tough for us also to every night when we sleep, we remember that so many of our devotees, they are living under the sky.
Really, hats off to Nepal people, that how they are working even still with everything got damaged, and still they are welcoming us. They are treating so well, and they're feeling very cool and calm. That's the thing we have to learn from them. And I think we all over the world, we should help these people as much as we can. Thank you very much.
Give somebody a hot meal when he's hungry and in need. He's your friend for life. So we are very grateful. They're grateful to us. We're grateful for our donors all over the world.